Here is how to find your WhatsApp backup on your Google Drive. First of all, you need to ensure that you have backed up your WhatsApp data. So for that, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings. From this page, tap on Chats, which is between List and Notifications. Now scroll down, tap on Chat Backup. And here, go to Google Account option and select the Google account where you want the backup to be. Then tap on Backup in the top, which is highlighted in green color. Go to the Google Drive and check that you're using the same Google account you used for the backup. And you might need to switch or add the correct account by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. And your WhatsApp backup will be visible. And you can use that backup when setting up WhatsApp on a new device or after reinstalling it. To delete the backup, turn it off. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.